What's going on, it's Suck and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech, and in today's video I'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here then I must ask you to hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified when any of my new videos go live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, I do want to quickly mention the pricing for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. So over here in the United Kingdom, it starts off with 256GB of storage, and that'll set you back £999. There is also a 512GB storage option, which will set you back £1,099. It's available in a range of 7 different colours, and you'll find the blue, green and orange colours are available exclusively on Samsung.com, whereas the violet, yellow, black and grey colours are available through other retailers. But that's enough talking about that. Let's crack open the box and see what comes included with this smartphone. So turning the box over, you'll notice that there are some pull tabs on the top and bottom of the rear of the box. Now pulling away these and lifting away the lid reveals the device sat atop. Now placing that to a side, you'll find yet another box contained in the lid. Now if we take a look within this, you'll find all of your documentation, and the first of these is your quick start guide, which gives you a general overview on how to quickly set up this device, along with some further regulatory, health and safety and warranty information, which is available in a range of different languages. You also get your SIM card ejection tool, and you'll also find a 1 meter USB-C to USB-C cable, which can be used to charge up this device along with sync across any data. And then we have the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. As you can see, I have elected to go for the amber yellow colour, and unlike the cobalt violet, you'll find the yellow colour on the back glass is not exactly colour matched to the rails on the sides, which was a little disappointing. However, I do like the contrast between the rails and the glass. And whilst I had a little bit of difficulty taking off the film around the screen, you can certainly see that this device fits fairly well in my hand. Although the smaller S24 fits perfectly in my hands, I've certainly not had any issues one hand holding the S24 Plus. But if you'd like to know my full thoughts and opinions on this smartphone, then be sure to follow me over on my social media. I'll leave that link down below in this video's description. Alternatively, you can hit that subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified when my full and in-depth review of the S24 and S24 Plus go live. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.